Welcome back. In this guide, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you fix Sony Google TV stuck on Sony logo welcome screen. In order to fix it, you want to make sure to watch this video right till the end. The easiest method is to reset your Android TV or your Sony Google TV. That would take you back to a stable Android OS version. However, resetting the Android TV will delete all your local data, installed app channels and wireless settings as well. Now, in order to do it, what you want to do is you simply want to go ahead and press the home button on the TV remote, and from the menu select more options. As you do it, then you could see a menu bar popping up. Then you want to scroll down, or you simply want to click on the remote and go to the bottom and click on device preferences. Next, you want to go ahead and click on reset, and once you do it, you'll be able to see this confirmation. If you are sure about it, you want to click on erase everything, and you want to go ahead and confirm it. Now try restarting and see whether that fixes your issue or not. If this does not seem to be working out, what you could also do is, first of all, you could also try power cycle. That means unplug the TV from your power source and then wait for approximately 20 seconds to allow any residual power to dispatch, and plug it back in the TV and turn it on and see that works or not. If that's not the case, you could also check connections. Ensure that the power cable is securely plugged in to both TV and the wall outlet. If you're using an extension cord, try you plugging the TV directly to the wall outlet, and that should be able to help you out. If not, you simply want to go ahead and make sure to factory reset that I've already showed you in the step number 1. You could go ahead and do the same procedure, and that should be able to help you out. If none of these procedure works, then you need to contact your cable provider or maybe contact your customer care, and that they should be help you out. So this is how it's gonna work. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.